Welcome to Happy Hour. It's January. It's bitter cold out. We're making drinks with bitters in it because, and that's as far as that connection goes. So we have made so far an old fashioned, we have made a gin sling, and we have made a Moscow Mule. All of these feature bitters. The Moscow Mule doesn't usually, but I do, and just go check out the last episode. You'll see what I'm talking about. I have some things to say about it. I always have something to say about stuff, whether I'm right or I'm wrong. I'm just always talking. Nah, 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 nah. And that's why I get a job, I guess, because I just nah, 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 nah. Anyhow, this week we're going to make a classic cocktail we've touched on before, but join me, will you, in just a couple of seconds as I make a Sazerac cocktail. Fantastic. All right. And we're still here. So let's assemble this drink. A Sazerac cocktail is a classic cocktail. It derived from a location, and now it's everywhere. Everyone can make it. And there is such a thing as Sazerac rye, although we can use whatever rye whiskey we want. For me, for a Sazerac, I like to use Dickel rye. So that's what we're going to use. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. In a glass, rocks glass, full of ice, let's take some absinthe. If you don't have absinthe, Pernod will do. We're just looking for that licoricey flavor, right? The anise flavor. Just give it a little pour. Don't use a lot, but if you use too much, doesn't matter because we're going to dump it out anyway. We're going to give that a little, and just put that over there. We're letting the glass chill with the ice and the absinthe in it. Then, in our shaker, we're going to add 2 ounces of rye. As I said, Dickel rye in this case. 2. And then we will add a 1/2 ounce of simple syrup. And then 3 dashes of Peychaud's bitter. 2, 3. If you don't have Peychaud's, would normal bitters do? Yeah. It'll change it quite a bit, but it'll do. Just stir that until cold. Some might even recommend to not stir it with ice, which is a fine recommendation, because it will water the drink down a little bit, but I kind of like my drink stretched a little bit, and we're going to serve it without ice anyway. So now, with our glass chilled and rinsed with absinthe, dump that out onto the floor, and then strain the contents of your shaker into this glass. Yes, indeed you do. I can smell the absinthe. Oh wait, orange. What was I thinking? Then we're going to garnish with a lemon swath. The Peychaud's makes it a little more red in color. Smell the lemon on the rim. Some things are classic for a reason. The herbaceousness of the Peychaud's comes forward. It is a little bit sweet, which is normally not my jam, but in this case, it's kind of nice. Because you're going up against, that's why I use rye, because it's a really dry and sharp rye whiskey. And then, yeah, you get the anise flavor from the absinthe rinse. This is one of my top 10 cocktails. I like to order them out. Sometimes, once in a while, I'll make them at home. Sometimes I talk to my friends about them. That's how much I like it. It's just a tasty drink. So, the Sazerac cocktail. And all of these cocktails will be made with bitters. Now you probably have a bottle. Get on the internet, look around, find different drinks to make with bitters. If you have a yummy, icky tum-tum, bitters and soda works really good. Bitters, super useful. This has been Happy Hour, brought to you by Maine Spirits. You can learn more about this drink and many other drinks at mainspirits.com. You can download their app for your smartphone, which is a smart move. What to buy, where to buy it, and what to do with it once you get it. Or you can follow them on Instagram at Maine_spirits. But as always, in this new year, please drink deliciously and responsibly.